Are you looking for the best impact wrench for automotive in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best impact wrench for automotive that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita 40V Max XGT Impact Wrench Kit. Makita's 40V mid-torque cordless impact wrench offers a nice blend of power and control. With 3 modes for tightening and 3 more for loosening, plus 4 speed options, it's ideal for just about every task for which you'd want or expect to use an impact wrench. And its 800 foot-pounds of breakaway torque won't slow you down either. You'll just need to be a bit patient when using it to break tougher fasteners. While it boasts tremendous power, the Makita produces just 2 900 impacts per minute and a max speed of 300 RPM. So while it has the power to remove pretty tough fasteners, it takes a few seconds more to break it when compared to faster impact wrenches. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3/8" impact wrench. While our test is geared more towards half-inch tools, Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 3/8" mid-torque wrench never skipped a beat. We used a 1/2 to 3/8" adapter to remove and replace the lug nuts on our F250 Super Duty pickup, a job it easily completed. We were also able to break free large, rusty nuts on our old farm equipment. This cordless impact wrench has 4 mode settings. The first 3 step up both RPM and IPM, with the third hitting max on both. The 4th mode, drive control, is the one we really like though. When driving, it limits torque to 35 feet-pounds, so there is no risk of over-tightening fasteners. When removing a fastener, it starts off at full torque, then backs off the RPM when the fastener has broken loose, preventing spinning off at full speed. The compact body and 3 LEDs on the face of the tool make it a good option in tight, dark spaces. This is a professional-grade tool, designed to stand up to daily use, but also an option for homeowners with frequent projects. We've turned to this tool several times since testing, as its size and torque are useful for a wide range of jobs. At number 3, we have the Flex 1/2" mid-torque 24V impact wrench. Flex's mid-torque cordless impact wrench was able to handle every task in our test. It is well suited for auto maintenance and mechanical work, with plenty of torque for common operations. Removing and fastening lug nuts tightened to 165 feet-pounds was a quick, smooth operation. We used both bolt removal and auto stop modes on the lug nuts, with removal mode cutting power once the lug broke free to prevent spinning it at high speed right off the stud. A second pull of the trigger backed the nut off gently, while auto stop prevented over-tightening nuts and fasteners, allowing us to go back with a torque wrench and tighten to spec. The Flex also has 3 other mode settings that limit RPMs to 400, 1600, or 1200, so you can tailor speed to the task. Smaller and lighter than high-torque models, this mid-torque impact is easy to handle and fits into more places you need to work. At number 2, we have the Ingersoll Rand 1/2" high-torque 20V impact wrench. You're not gonna find Ingersoll Rand IR tools in most big-box home improvement stores, but that doesn't mean it's not worth searching them out. IR tools are often found in industrial or commercial applications due to their reputation for robust performance and durable construction. This model is a good example of this, with an all-metal drivetrain, steel-reinforced handle, and a whopping 1,500 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. In fact, there wasn't much in testing that could challenge the high torque's capabilities. We didn't have big enough or rusty enough hardware on our farm equipment. It differed from nearly all other multi-mode cordless impact wrenches in that it uses a dial mode selector on the back of the tool head. This means that the selector is always facing you, making it easy to see what mode it's in and select a different mode. The 4 modes include hand tight, wrench tight, half power, and full power. Hand tight was great for snugging things like lug nuts up, while wrench tight cranks things down to around 100 feet-pounds, which is plenty tight for a lot of applications. The impact wrench is ideal for daily or heavy-use applications. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR 1/2" impact wrench. We could tell the DeWalt 20V Max XR was a beast when we picked it up. High-torque cordless impact wrenches tend to weigh more, because they have beefier components required to handle the forces involved in transferring all that torque. This is no exception, weighing 7.2 pounds with one of the two big 5Ah batteries clipped to the bottom, the heaviest impact wrench in the test. The weight does give the impression it's well built, and can take some abuse though. Removing the lug nuts on the F250 Super Duty was seemingly effortless, the Max XR breaking them free in a fraction of a second. We tried it in all 3 speed settings, with the highest removing them the fastest. We had to get a feel for when to back off the trigger and let the tool's momentum spin the nut off. Do it too late and the nut could run off the stud at high RPM and fly out of the socket. Working on the rusty farm equipment felt like a perfect job for the Max XR. The rusted nuts and bolts were no match for it. The only issue was being able to reach a couple of them because of the size of the wrench. DeWalt's high-torque impact wrench would be a natural fit for auto, truck, or tractor repair out in the field or on the roadside.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.